Hello guys, welcome to another episode on Kweku Tech. On today's tech tip, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste. This is not a usual copy and paste control V. I'm coming to show you how to copy as many tests as you want. Then you paste it as the time that you need it. Not like control C, control V, then you paste it, control C, control V, then you paste it. Let me demonstrate to you what I really mean by that. So as you can see on my browser, I have this page that I want to copy this test. So I copy this test, control C. I need this, but I don't need this test to come in. I need this test, but I don't need this one. So I'll come here again, control C, and I want something here on this tab. So I'll also copy this, control C. So when I go to my notepad where I want to paste my test, instead of control V, if I do control V, it will just paste the last thing that I copied. So I'll do Windows V, then it will show me all the tests that I've copied. So this is the popular Nigeria guy. This is the first test that I copied, the new Samsung Galaxy S20, then this one. So if I want to paste this one first, then I'll just click on it, paste. So the second one, I'll do the same thing, Windows V, then I'll click on the second one, paste. As you can see, it's different tests. So, and the third one, which is the final one, paste. I hope this will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Kweku Tech. Share, like and comment below.